Shubor naga Shisnem jong nongsan Hima.
Haka arpau lai tarik uluber arhajar arpau katanat karap karyang jongka sorkar jella kalapenlong daka jingelang bat ufa secretary jongka Japan embassy u master Watanabe u belahiar shanong bak shalong ban khmi ya ka jingthung yautin kini kidukhat nari Japan hakani kasngi kilaya kenduk lang bat ka kenhun kinong rem kata ka Health Farmer Union ban ai jinghikai hakabaya dei bat ka jingrep yautin Nakalyang u Assistant Director ka Mushroom Development u Bak Sumar lang Kharluki. Ulaya thu baka sorkar jella haka jingetre lang ringkat bak ka Hills Farmer Union. Kiladap banyate lok bat ka Japan naduk lai pau tarik ujemang arhajar khat khandai. Ban penchlor yakin nong rep jongka jella ban rung syaka jingtung ya Shitake mushroom u baya seriem kum utetung. Ula ongru baka jingmi na uni ujingtung kan kot Haduh hinyo pau hajar bat Haduh silak tengka AA haka Shisnem. Kumta ulakan tu yakin nong rep haka jella bakin wan rong syaka office jong katanat agriculture banyo yaki jinghikai ki bakham benya halor ka jingthung ya uni uken jatet Shitake.
Mushroom is very good for health. Okay, as you know. So in the world, Shitake mushroom is consumed #1. Okay, thereafter bottom mushroom comes, right? So we will be the pioneer to cultivate Shitake mushroom in India. Okay, Shillong, right?
No state.
No,
Then you
commercial,
just tell.
you mean commercial cultivation?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
No state.
cultivation.
No state has started to produce Shitake mushroom for the purpose of commercial. Okay. I hope Meghalaya government, Shillong, will be the pioneer. Meghalaya government is very cooperative. Okay, because the aim of this project is to increase farmers' income. Okay, once the farmers is familiar to cultivate Shitake mushroom, their income will be double. Okay, that is the aim. As I told you, the standard of living will be improved by cultivating Shitake mushroom. Okay, it's a high quality Shitake mushroom.
Kanika project Shitake mushroom kala wan lengba ka jingya te kular rengka kilait ki kendon kata kade ka state government ka Yachts Corporation bat ka Hills Farmers Union. Milada pendep ikani ka jingya te saskular ha ka benai mi lai pautrik arjar khat kendai. Hadin nang ta ka kam kala senang ya state ha bat kumta ngalayo ban lecture Japan ban kani ka training nang banyo ban pen phai kani ka kam kan san kawan ka lockdown ngal hap ban wan phai no nang tai bat ngimla shu ban panle kum kumoi pat mar ngi hap up ya ka technologies kadai ka jongki nang tai na Japan ngaliyo training hapo shibna ngi lawan ban persang ban le wan sina ya kita ki biki ong kita ki chips ki dos ka size jongki kadai san la shpo kalong ka shimpor ha ban sina uta blok lai pautli blok ni haban simpor la kumno san sngi da ubrio namar ngimdan kitiar ka machine ka babiang kumaki kile ki kila ban produce kuma shi hajar propotli ha ka shikenta namar ba kila along lot barokhat ki batre da ka bor jong ka machine hangni ka center ka jongi ngila persyang ban le ya ka experiment agani ngila kandak santli ki eksperimen ki trial ban pej uni Shitake uya hap dau no jaj bat no jaj dieng habangila syam ngi iba hagani ka jela ka jong ngiru uni utit ngi khot Shitake utit tung bangiyo sikini ki than sora ki than mairang ki than juai uni ulong bha hakiding uding soon yong ta uding soon u chestnut nang ta korakas u wilu ngi ong da khasi uding yaplong keba ngi thung kumta ter hakita ki jading ngi haban khle lot yakini kadan karukom khle bat ban shna yakini na komenta shispa san pautli da ka bormet kum ubrio bat kitiar ki machine ngi lapadan kam kum kirenda pangin yo ban ot kiskum ngi na ban pengi da ka kurat yo yaki flex kumta ter kalong ka ba shimpor ba ban shna shispa san pautli la kum no shitayo tam ti habangi phai ben pe kam idan Jingmyntoi nreipat la dadangi yo yaki machine jong ki bangi mot ban import nang tan na Japan kan yarap shibon yangi kata kadai nakaliang jongi habangi phai pet nakaliang jong nong rap hakani ka center ka jonga ngin penmi yaw ni u wolong ko mo block ngin shnalut mangina dong shedong ngin un covid na hadin dula dong new mo blok ngin ay kinong rep kumashis pa san pautli unong rep udon kam ka jaka tang kumba san mitar lai mitar hakini ka jaka san mitar lai mitar unthung kumashis pa san pau hadu ars pa teli bat ka jingmi jong u nang ni ka jingyo jong u kan kot chedu ka nyopo hajar hadu shilak shisnem na kata ka jaka ya ka ba uthung yo shitaki dei na kata ka rukom mangiru kum ka department kum ka center hang ni ngikwa ban pensilori ki brio jongi namar ka jaka ka dei ka ba khniat ka ba ret nginget scam ba ki para nong rep ki jongi ki don bon ki jaka kin pedon kam ha tang ka wei hakani ka pon ka ban kentu ki nong rep ki jongi ba pin trei sitom namar hakarep pihak ban eksperimen pihak ban le hi pihak ban wan lalu pisiam kenu ka jing pisiam kenu ka jing sitom ka jing trei ka jong phi ka office ka jongi ka dan hang ni ha opershilong pila ban rong ka dei ka office ka jong phi ban pet yaka wan pet yo nang ta sim ki phone number hakini ka percaya menta ngidon ki email pila ban ai kenu ka jubab ngin sa persyang ban guide pat ban yarap ya phi na ka por sya ka por ble shibun ngin rei nga shule na ka proses ko mangale ya ka shina yo sembai tit oyster ba yo sembai tit button tenga kwa ban yi bha ka don jingya pher ne ka long kum nu phi ladangi kran yo tit shitaki kamot ngidei ban ngam bai thik hang tu ka rukom trei ka rukom le ka long specific yo tu nrei menta da ka ni ka buj ka bor ka bangadon leng ba jong oyster yo button nga shushina ka shina u ilong nrei nga kwa pat ban yi shatai ka long kum nu ka don ka jingya pher ka ka ingredients kum no ki le kat no ki penle cooling ka medium kum ta ter kadon ka proses ka baki gile ngakwa bani i kata namar ba ki kinum shu ai kum tu lem da ngingile chatai bat kinum shu transfer ka technology kum tu ni don kam ban le chatai ban yo ikani ka training kna mungi specific laba ni penmi la shai uni u shitaki u penmi kna magar kom penmi sembai jong ngiru kan ya dei kum balong maki hangtai ka japan dei na kata kadau ni kwa ban le phai byang shikatai ban yo ka jikai ka ba kham pura bat ka ba kham long specific ngalaban oh ka kentin nong way specific tik tang yang bata ka jinge da yamenta ngidon rengila shushna kumbangi shna hakabangi le yau tet oyster bat yau tet pudam hakabai dei bantung yau new tet unong rap dan kam ban kuslai shushu yau sembai usudon kam ban wan tet tang yau tau blok sodas blok bangi ong utang ngila de ban penshna ngila de ban ai sembai ngila de ban pedam ngila ban lei usu siem usu lei bu syaying tang hapedin artayau lami usa sedang ban le ka proses ngin sahikai dan kam ban kuslai yau sembai shitaki.
We chose Meghalaya for two, three reasons. We were told that the farmers here are very poor. So we said we have to do something so that the farmers here feel happy, they feel energetic, and we give them something that they become healthy. So that was one reason. Second reason was the climatic conditions of Meghalaya are the best suited to grow Shitake in India. If Shitake can be grown in India, it is Shillong. Right? So these are the two compelling reasons that we came to Shillong. And also, the third reason is the positive attitude of the administration here.
Yeah.
All I had to do was to tell them that we can do it for you, and then they were the ones who were telling us to come and do it. So these three factors, I think, were the key that you see us standing here amongst you to grow Shitake in Meghalaya. To be very honest with you, we started our engagement here in the month of April 2019, right? April 2019 we came, we worked on the MOU, and the things moved so fast that on the 30th of May, we signed the MOU with the Hill Farmer Association, with YATS and the government, right? After that, we came here, we visited, we saw the place, we worked out the plan, we did everything. We also attended the Sial, where we got the mushrooms, we gave a taste of mushrooms to the people here. Unfortunately, after that, things became slow because of COVID.
Yeah.
There was no international travel, we could not come and meet, we could not construct the building. So there was this gap of about 2 years and 3 months that was there. Now, no sooner the restrictions have been lifted, we are here again with you to give a push to the project. And let me assure you, by April 2023, we will ensure that the farmers are producing Shitake and at a commercial scale. Mr. Smar San here has been a very, very aggressive man.
Correct.
Okay, if we slacken, he's the one who's pushing us, right? So it's a matter of time. Let me assure you, it'll be good, and it'll be good for the complete ecosystem of Shillong.